Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by gathering what's essential. A charge tracker, your phone, and the Syncup app open. Tap the app's Add Tracker button now. This initiates Bluetooth scanning. Once the device appears, select it and accept pairing prompts. Make sure you allow location and Bluetooth permissions so the app can detect signal strength. While pairing, keep the tracker near the phone. This avoids retries. After successful pairing, the app shows battery level and device ID, so verify those before continuing. Now configure how Syncup reports location and alerts. You choose update frequency. Shorter intervals give real-time accuracy but use more battery. Balance needs accordingly. Create safe zones by dropping pins on the map and naming them, then assign entry and exit rules so the app knows when to notify you. Next, customize notification types and thresholds, sound, vibration, or silent with banner. Then test an alert by walking the tracker out of a safe zone to confirm settings work as expected before leaving it unattended. Finish by running a short live test. Walk 20-30 m away and watch updates. This validates range and alert timing. Once confident, attach the tracker securely. If you ever lose connection, open the app and use last seen location plus map-assisted search. Move slowly with the app open to improve GPS lock. If the tracker becomes unresponsive, restart it according to manual steps, toggle Bluetooth on your phone, or reinstall the app. These 3 actions resolve most issues quickly, so try them in that order.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.